Welcome, friends. I am Dr. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising important topics in psychology for the first BHMS students, and our topic is topic number 13, and it deals with brief note on Aristotle. The Aristotle is a towering figure in ancient Greece. And as a philosopher, he contributed to the logic, metaphysics, mathematics, biology, botany, ethics, politics, agriculture, medicine, dance, and theatre. His birth dates 384 before Christ. His father was a physician to the king of Macedonia. Education. While he was still a boy, his father died. At the age of 17, his guardian, Proxius, sent him to Athens, the intellectual center of the world, to complete his education. He joined the academy and studied under Plato. Plato has studied under Socrates. Plato died and willed the academy to his nephew. Aristotle left academy and founded the Lyceum, an institute for popular education providing discussions, lectures, and concerts. Ideas and contribution. As a prolific writer and polymath, Aristotle radically transformed most, if not all, areas of knowledge whatever he touched. In his lifetime, Aristotle wrote as many as 200 treatises, of which only 31 survive. Aristotle was the first to systematically study the catalogus, the rules of the correct logical reasoning. His logic is important because it dominates all Western thought, including scientific thought, until the 19th century. His contribution. Ethics, also known as moral philosophy, is a branch of philosophy that involves systematizing, defending, and recommending concept of right and wrong conduct. Aristotle, the soul and psychology. Soul is defined by Aristotle as the perfect expression of realization of a natural body. Ideas and contribution. From this definition, it follows that there is a close connection between psychological states and the physiological processes. Body and soul are united in the same way that wax and impression stamped on it are unified. Aristotle's psychology proposes that allowing desire to dominate reason would lead to an unhealthy imbalance and the tendency to perform bad actions. Here, Aristotle's thought created a model that remained unchanged for centuries and one that still underpins the work of modern psychology and philosophy, where desire is renamed as emotion and reason as rationality. Perhaps Aristotle can be called the first behaviorist. He laid the basic foundation on which further work was carried out by B.F. Skinner and Pavlov, two of the most famous names in the history of psychology. Bibliography. The following references are there which we take help to formulate this workup. Thank you very much for patient listening.